You've probably seen people tapping one card across metros, buses, and parking without carrying cash or standing in recharge lines. That's the NCMC card. But what exactly is it? How does it work? And more importantly, how can you recharge it online in minutes using the Paytm? Let's understand everything in simple words. NCMC stands for National Common Mobility Card. Think of it as one smart card for everyday travel and transit payments. Instead of carrying separate cards for metro, buses, parking, tolls, or local transport, NCMC helps you use a single card across multiple services. It was introduced to make travel simpler, faster, smoother, and fully digital. Today, many metro systems and public transport networks across India support NCMC-enabled cards. And the best part, you can easily recharge your NCMC card online using Paytm. Depending upon your city and card issuer, your NCMC card should be used for metro travel, city buses, parking payments, toll payments, retail purchases at the selected merchants. So instead of waiting in long queues for token recharges or carrying exact change every day, you can simply tap and travel. For regular commuters, it makes daily travel much more convenient. Now let's see how you can recharge your NCMC card online using Paytm. Step 1. Open the Paytm app. Step 2. Search for NCMC recharge or go to the transit and metro section. Step 3. Select your metro or NCMC supported services. Step 4. Enter your card details or card number. Step 5. Choose the recharge amount. And step 6 is complete the payment using UPI, wallet, bank account or cards. And that's it. Your recharge is done in just a few taps. In some systems, you may need to tap your card once at a metro gate or validation machine for the balance update to reflect. So always check the instructions shown during recharge. Online recharge saves time, especially during busy travel hours. No standing in queues, no last minute low balance panic, and no searching for recharge counters before boarding. With Paytm, you can recharge anytime, anywhere, whether you are at home, in office, or already on your way. For daily commuters, it's one less thing to worry about. So if you use metro, buses, or public transport regularly, an NCMC card can make your travel experience much simpler. And with Paytm, recharging it online is quick and convenient. Try your next NCMC recharge on Paytm and subscribe to the Paytm YouTube channel for more simple guides, smart payment tips, and everyday digital hacks.